Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. This truck has approximately 75,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline-fed 350 Ci V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Finished in a classic white exterior with a red interior, the truck presents itself in great condition and operates exactly as it should. The truck has been well maintained and was recently serviced, including the installation of a brand new alternator and battery, along with a fresh oil and filter change. Additional maintenance includes rear differential servicing, new spark plugs and wires, new wiper arms and blades, as well as a transmission fluid and filter service. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 offers solid performance, low mileage for its year, and excellent value for anyone looking for a dependable classic pickup. Number 2. 1986 Ford F250, price $8,000, showing just 65,000 miles. It is equipped with a manual transmission and finished in a classic blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. Power comes from the reliable 300 cubic inch inline-six engine, mated to a 4-speed NP435 manual transmission and 3.08 rear gears, delivering power to the rear wheels. The truck received a significant amount of work last summer to bring it to its current condition, with details documented in the final photo. It is now clean, well-sorted, and runs extremely well. Even after sitting for several months, it started right up in below zero temperatures without issue. The truck has been garage kept during the winter, both by the current owner and the previous owner, contributing to its overall excellent condition and dependable performance. Number 3. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,900. The truck has traveled 138,000 original miles and is powered by a 5.7-liter V8 Vortec gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs and drives great with no mechanical issues and remains clean both inside and out. The truck features a white exterior complemented by a blue interior and comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, and power seats for added comfort and convenience. An AM/FM stereo system is installed, and the vehicle sits on good tires. It holds a clean California title that is currently in hand, is properly registered, and is ready to go. Overall, this is a strong-running, reliable pickup that performs very well and is road-ready. Number 4. 1999 GMC 1500, price $9,500, with approximately 160,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and features a red exterior paired with a gray interior. The vehicle has been professionally lowered with a 4/6 drop and a C-notch setup, sitting on 20-inch snowflake wheels for a clean and aggressive stance. Power comes from a 5.3L engine supported by a cold air intake and a 93-octane performance tune. It also features a built automatic transmission with a shift kit and Corvette servo, along with 3.73 rear gears for improved acceleration and drivability. Additional upgrades include full LED lighting from front to back, a complete center console swap for a more modern interior feel, and a Flowmaster muffler that delivers a deep, refined exhaust note. Number 5. 1967 Ford F250, price $9,500, with approximately 71,000 miles on the odometer, and the mileage will continue to increase as it is driven regularly. It is powered by a strong-running 352 gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, delivering a classic and engaging driving experience. The truck features a black exterior complemented by a black interior, both of which present well, with the interior remaining in great condition overall. The vehicle runs and drives confidently, with no issues preventing it from being driven anywhere. It has been upgraded with new LED headlights and taillights, while the original lights are also included. The truck sounds great on the road and feels solid, reflecting its overall clean condition. While the bed floor does require some attention, the rest of the truck remains in good shape, making it a dependable and appealing vintage pickup. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It has traveled approximately 220,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a unique purple exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The truck is described as being in pristine condition and is fully ready for its next owner. It comes with a clean title and has had only 3 owners throughout its lifetime. All major maintenance and services have been completed, including the installation of a brand new transmission at 180,000 miles, with receipts available to verify the work. The sale also includes a hitch and a brand new set of brake pads, adding even more value to this well-kept Chevrolet 1500. Number 7. 1989 Ford F250, price $9,000, well-maintained daily driver with 70,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered 460 engine paired with a C6 transmission and 4x4 drivetrain. Finished in silver with a gray interior, it presents a clean and classic look. The truck has been regularly driven on highways and rural roads, handling both cruising and stop-and-go traffic with ease. It holds a clean title, shows no significant rust, and features dual fuel tanks, TTB suspension, 10.25 axles with limited slip differential, 4.10 gears, and 32-inch plus tires in great condition. Recent maintenance includes a new OEM Ford windshield, new fuel tank and pump, new brakes and master cylinder, rebuilt ECM, and a new water pump with related components. Number 8. 1983 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500, solid classic pickup with approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline, finished in a black exterior that gives it a timeless, aggressive look. The truck holds a clean title and features a fuel-injected engine conversion. It starts and drives, though the engine currently needs repair, making it an ideal candidate for an engine rebuild or a complete engine swap project. The vehicle rides on new tires and is fitted with a rear airbag suspension, adding both comfort and customization potential. While some minor bodywork is still needed, there are no structural issues to note. Overall, the truck has a strong, solid frame, making it a great foundation for restoration or customization. Number 9. 1978 Ford F250, price $4,900. It has traveled 86,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a silver exterior paired with a blue interior and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it is powered by a 460 V8 engine and comes with factory cruise control. The truck runs and drives, though it currently has an exhaust leak and a leaking water pump. A brand new water pump is included, but the owner has not had the time or desire to install it. When purchased, the truck did not have functioning brakes. However, a new master cylinder and complete rear brake setup have since been installed, and the brakes now work properly. Originally bought as a parts truck with plans to use the sheet metal, it was discovered that the rust condition was similar to another vehicle already owned. Number 10. 1971 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000, classic pickup equipped with a 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a strong and smooth driving experience. The truck runs and drives great, showing that it has been well cared for and remains reliable on the road. Finished in a black exterior, it presents a clean and bold appearance that suits its vintage character. The automatic transmission makes it comfortable and easy to drive, whether for daily use or weekend cruising. Overall, the vehicle is in solid operating condition for its age, with the only known issue being the need for a new heater core. Aside from that, this Chevrolet 1500 stands as a dependable and desirable classic truck with plenty of potential for its next owner.